Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
TVJ Sports has been reliably informed that the Jamaica Cricket Association is set to part ways with the Jamaica Scorpions head coach Andrew Richardson. According to a top-level source at the JCA, the new executive, led by President Dr. Donovan Bennett, is yet to meet with the senior men's team coach since taking office in April. It is believed the JCA is eyeing up a return for former interim coach Robert Haynes. The decision to part ways with Richardson comes after the Scorpions lost 5 and won only 2 of their 7 first-class regional 4-day games this season. This followed a winless Super 50 campaign for the Scorpions, who surrendered the title they won in 2022. Richardson, a former Jamaica fast bowler, led the Scorpions to the 2022 Super 50 Cup, breaking a 10-year title drought for the senior men's team. The Ghana Amazon Warriors women team of Jamaican Safani Taylor and Natasha McLean lost their second game in 3 after going down by 14 runs on Super Over to the Trinbago Knight Riders on Sunday night in the Women's Caribbean Premier League at the Brian Lara Cricket Academy in Trinidad. Batting first, TKR posted 128 for 8 from their 20 overs, with Deandra Dottin top scoring with 53 against Chloe Tryon 2 for 12. Shika Pandey also got 25 as Karishma Ramarak and Shabnel Ismail had 2 for 19 and 2 for 24 respectively. In reply, the Warriors were restricted to 128 for 5, with Erin Burns leading the way with 61 and Shemaine Campbell 25. With the game going to a super over, TKR posted 19 without loss from their 6 deliveries, with Dottin making 13. The Warriors then lost 2 wickets for 5 runs to hand TKR the win. The Warriors will be back in action tonight when they play the Barbados Royals, who have won 2 from 2. Jamaica's young reggae boys are the champions of the inaugural Caribbean Football Union Under-14 Challenge Series after a thumping 7-1 victory over French Guiana on Sunday. It was French Guiana who took the lead in the 22nd minute, a lead they would take into the halftime break. However, Jamaica would come out swinging in the second half and got rewarded. DJ Brown scored the equalizer in the 41st minute before talisman Corlando Morris gave them the lead for the first time in the contest in the 53rd minute. Morris was the star of the day as he went on to register a hat-trick with 2 more goals in minutes 58 and 62. Brown scored a brace with his second coming in the 54th minute. Samuel Taylor made it 6-1 in the 63rd minute, while Jaden Brown Hanniford completed the rout in the 68th minute. The young reggae boys completed the tournament with a 100% win record. The team returned to the island this morning. And finally, Jamaica's under-16 netballers will go in search of their second successive win when they take on Norman Manley High in the inaugural Youth Summer Invitational at the Leela Robinson Courts this afternoon at 6:15. Denby High will play Gainsted in the opening game at 4:30. In Game 1 at the weekend, Norman Manley High defeated Gainsted 37-29, while Jamaica's under-16s had a 32-25 win over Denby High. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. I'm Renata Brown.
Thanks, Renato, for that sports roundup. And that's the Midday News. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.